Good morning, dear students. Now come again to exercise 13, page number 172. Open your book, read the question number 7. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stands on it. If angle AOC is equal to 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC is equal to 3x plus 20 degree, find the value of x. Also find angle AOC and angle BOC. So we can see from the figure there is a line AOB. Here OC is a ray stands on it and angle AOC is clearly visible. It is 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC is 3x plus 20 degree. Okay. So first we will write whatever is given in the question, that AOB is a straight line. Then angle AOC is given 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC it is given, it is 3x plus 20 degree. And what we need to find? To find angle AOC and angle BOC. And one more thing is there, I forgot to write here, we need to find x also. So you will write here x. Now we will start solving. Right solution. Since AOB is a straight line, it is already given the question that AOB is a straight line. So we can say that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. We know that these two angles are adjacent angle and lying on the straight line. When two adjacent angles lying on the straight line, it means these are linear pair angles and their sum is always equal to 180 degree. Thus we will write here like this and write the reason in the bracket also, linear pair angles. And in bracket we use the short forms. And write angles, we can write, make the sign of angle and write as angles. And this is the sign of because. So write because in this way. In the bracket only for giving reason. Now we'll put the value of angle AOC. It is 2x minus 10, which was given in the question, and angle BOC, in place of BOC we will write 3x plus 20 degree equal to 180 degree. Now we will open the bracket. So when we will open the bracket, it will be like 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20 and equal to 180 degree. Now we can see 2x and 3x are like terms, both are positive, so we will add them and it will be equal to 5x. And this is negative 10, it is positive 20, both are constant term. We will solve them and the 20 minus 10 will be 10, positive 10. So we will write here plus 10, 5x plus 10 equal to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 5 towards the right hand side to find the value of x. When this 5 will come here, it will, first we will transpose this 10 here towards right hand side, it will become negative. So 180 minus 10 will be 170. Now we will transpose this 5 towards right hand side, it is multiplier. When it will go towards right hand side, it will come as divisor and it will divide the right hand side. So 170 by 5. So when we divide 170 by 5, 5 1 time 5 and 5 3 times 15, 2 remainder will be left, 2 and 0 20, so 5 4 times 20. So we have got the value of x, it is 34, and it was also asked in the question. So we will make a box over it. You will make box. Now we will find the value of angle AOC and we assumed it was 2x minus. So we will write 2 into 34 minus 10 because we already have got the value of x, it is 34. So we will put in place of x 34. So 2 into 34 will be 68 minus 10 will come as it is. Now 68 minus 10, 68 minus 10 will be equal to 58 degree. So this is the value of angle, measure of angle AOC, it is 58 degree. In the same way we will find the measure of angle BOC, it was 3x plus 20, so we'll write 3 into 34 plus 20. So 3 into 34 will be 102 plus 20, it will be 122 degree. Now come to the question number 9. In the question number 9, in the given figure, two straight lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If AOC is equal to 42 degree, find the measure of each of the angles. There are three angles we need to find. One is already given. So there are two straight lines which are intersecting at point O, AB and CD. We can see from the figure. So first we will write whatever is given in the question, that AB and CD intersect at point O. And angle AOC is given, it is 42 degree. So we need to find angle AOD, then BOD, then COB. So we know that angle AOC and angle AOD is equal to 180 degree because these are linear pair angles. How these are linear pair angles? See, these are adjacent angles and also they are lying on a straight line CD. The sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree, and that's why the angles are called linear pair angles. You will write in the bracket as we have done in the previous question also. Always write the reason, it is very important to write the reason. Now we will put the value of angle AOC, it is 42 degree plus angle AOD as it is we will write, because we need to find the value of angle AOC equal to 180 degree. Now AOD will be here only on the left hand side. We will transpose 42 towards the right hand side, and it will, when it will move towards right hand side, it will become negative. So 180 minus 42 degree will be equal to 138 degree. So we have got the value of angle AOD. Now the second is BOD. Now we need to find the angle BOD. AOD we have found, it is 138 degree. Now angle BOD. So we can see from the figure that AB and CD are intersecting. So angle AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angles. We know when two lines intersect, so vertically opposite angles are equal. So we can write that angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC, and you will write the reason also, because why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Now we can write in place of AOC 42 degrees, so we have got the value of angle BOD. Now come to the question number 11. Question number 8 you will do by yourself. Question number 10 you will do by yourself. Now come to the question number 11. In the given figure, rays OA, OB, OC and OD are such that angle AOB is equal to 56 degree, angle BOC is equal to 100 degree, angle COD is equal to X degree, and angle DOA is equal to 74 degree. Find the value of X. So we can first, in all the question you will draw the figure. It is very important to draw the figure. Draw the figure, and we can see there are rays OA, OB, OC and OD, and O is a point. Here we can see this is a point O, from where these rays are moving. So we know that sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. If there is any point, there is any point around it, some angles are there. So sum of all the, maybe the angle 3 angles, 4 angles, 5 angles, any number of angles can be there around it. The sum of all the angles will always equal to 360 degree. We know that. So in the same way, first you will write the given in the question, that OA, OB, OC and OD are rays. It was given, and angle AOB 56 degree, angle BOC is equal to 100 degree, angle COD is equal to X degree, and angle DOA is equal to 74 degree. we need to find the value of angle x. Now we know that the sum of all the angles means angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA. The sum of all four equal to 360 degree. Now we'll put the values of these angles means in place of angle AOB we'll write 56 degree, angle BOC 100 degree, angle COD x degree, and angle DOA is equal to 74 degree. So we'll write here in place of angle DOA 74 degree, so equal to 360 degree. Now we will add all these three. These can be added. X is variable, so we will it cannot be added. We will write with plus sign only first. So 56 plus 100 plus 74. 56 plus 100 plus 74. First we will add these. So it will be 230 degree. So we will write here 230 plus x equal to 360 degree. Now x will be here only on the left hand side. Only 230 will go towards right hand side and it will become negative. So 230 will be subtracted from 360 and we will get the value of x. It is 130 degree, which we need to find. So in this way you will complete this exercise. All the best.